Be honest with me, have you given up on egusi soup because it upsets your stomach anytime you eat it? Or maybe the last time you ate it, you got cramps, or it just ran straight through you? Or maybe you don't just trust the way most people cook egusi anymore. Well, don't worry, you are not alone, and today I'm about to change that for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make egusi that is well done, safe, and absolutely delicious. No more tummy troubles, no more regrets. Let's go. So we started by adding up some cow skin in our pot. Yeah, as you can see, the water level, it's not too big, it's not too small. Actually, if I am making a lumpy egusi soup recipe, like maybe, just maybe, the water level might not be up to this one. So I took some hot water from the pot to mix our egusi, and in that egusi you're seeing, we have our grounded egusi, we have our uziza, we have our crayfish, and our oatmeal. So that's all we have in there. And this one, like, there is no troubles of running around to grind crayfish, grind this and grind that. Like, I just grounded every single thing, and I also have some green peppers in there too, so I just grinded everything and put it in there. This is our oroko what do you call it, stockfish. So yeah, and it's time to add in our oil. And honestly, I think the oil, it's not enough, so this is half seasoning cube we are using. It's called crayfish seasoning. I don't know, I don't remember the name. So this is us adding in the salt. When I added in the cow skin earlier, you saw me put something into the pot. It's actually salt. So I tested for salt, and the one I added earlier, it's not enough. That's why I have to top up. And this is our grounded pepper. This is habanero, guys. Honestly, I love pepper. I love pepper. You must have figured that out from my videos. I do love pepper, honestly. Like, if I'm eating a meal that doesn't have enough pepper in it, it used to give me this kind of sensation, like I don't just like it. So as I said earlier, the oil is not enough, so I have to add in a little bit more, because as someone that likes her egusi soup popping, it wouldn't really be appetizing for me if the color comes out white. If I want to cook white egusi, I will go straight up and cook white egusi. So, but that's not the case for this video. And this is a chili pepper. Oh my god, I said it earlier, I love pepper. This is chili pepper, the one I tested for the pepper. I tested for pepper, it's not giving me what I want, so I topped up. And this is our fish. This is our, what do they call it again, banla. They call it banla here. So I just pieces the fish and add. As you can see, like, it's a lot of opening and closing of pot, and this didn't even take a long time. Like, actually it took a while to boil. Do you understand? Because of the water quantity. And that's the secret. Like, that's the secret. Just let it to boil and dry up like this. And here we are making our what do you call it, our, there's no amala. This is called what do they call it here again? I know it's gari, but they call it, there was something they call it here, I've forgotten. And this is my colleague trying to make, like, she was the one that suggested for us to, like, go with eba. Thank you, eba. She wanted eba, but I'm not eba fan. Like, I don't like it, even in draw soup. Like, I don't just like it. And funny enough, the person that actually wanted eba was busy. I don't know what she was doing, like, and I was really hungry. I have to take that mantle from her. And even though I don't like it, I just have to do it, because I don't know, she had told me that she doesn't really like making it. but I think she enjoys eating it though. So honestly, guys, our food came out really well, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.